cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.